Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I've got a beautiful 2023 Chaparral 287 SSX. Beautiful blue. Has SeaDek here on the swim platform. Does have the infinity power step. Pro Mariner battery charger. Washdown fuel. This has the silicone vinyl along with the 8.2 430 horsepower engine. Struts have been added here for storage. Same here on the cooler side. Very large storage compartment. Helm seat. This boat is in fantastic shape and has 44 hours on the engine. Blue accent lighting. This is a one-owner freshwater boat, always kept here on Lake of the Ozarks. Head has never been used. If you'd like to see this boat in person, give me a call. Ask for Jansen. 573-606-3029. Thank you and have a great day.